This video provides a comprehensive 2-minute demonstration of the recipe run and batch execution capabilities within Measurement Hub, showcasing how seamlessly a created recipe scales across an entire dataset. Recipe loading and rapid execution. The showcase begins in the run mode environment, where newly created recipe already loaded. The user selects a local directory containing a batch of 16 unique SEM images. With a single click of the Start Run button, the execution engine engages. The live log and progress bar demonstrate the software's speed, rapidly processing the complex, multi-layered recipe, including pattern recognition and measurements, across all 16 high-resolution images in mere seconds. Visual validation across the dataset. Once the run is complete, the user navigates through the processed image batch using the frame spinner. The main viewer updates instantly, revealing the calculated measurement overlays on each specific image. You can clearly see how the pattern recognition dynamically located the contact arrays, and how the precise measurement boundaries adapted perfectly to the slight variations within each new image, ensuring robust data capture. Interactive 3D topology. Moving beyond flat 2D overlays, the user opens the right-hand analytical panel. By selecting the 3D tab, they generate an interactive 3D intensity profile of the measured features. This allows for immediate, deep inspection of the surface topology and feature depth. The user demonstrates the integration with the recipe tree by easily switching the 3D view from the central contact hole, measurement M0, to the surrounding space, measurement M1. Built-in statistical analytics and reporting. The final segment highlights Measurement Hub's powerful internal analytics engine. The user switches to the Graphics tab to analyze the accumulated batch data. They seamlessly toggle between histograms, box plots, and trend lines, exploring different calculated metrics without ever leaving the application. Finally, the video showcases the automated export, a fully compiled, detailed HTML report containing every single raw data point from the 16-image run, neatly organized and ready for engineering review.